Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. These two patterns have nothing to do with the video, but somebody emailed me and they're using Arial Black, which I have. Everybody should probably have it. And they can't get it to snap to one another. So I'm going to left click, right click. And we're going to make a duplicate of that guy and we're going to mirror it horizontally and vertically. And they're trying to snap these two F's together to make some sort of pattern. And they won't snap together. And he goes, I've got everything checked. Well, there's nowhere it says snap to font. This is still a font. It's an F on layer 1. It's Arial Black. So if you will select both those, go up to object and convert them to a curve, now they are an object or they are a curve and they will snap to each other. And it makes life so easy when you can snap the things. And then I took it, I don't know what kind of pattern he's going to make out of that, but I took it a little bit further just while I was waiting for an answer from him. And I filled it in with the Smart Fill tool. Then I left click, right click, and this would be a pretty good pattern within itself. Let me make a copy of it. And let's go Control D and make a duplicate. And then put this one right here. And then Control D, Control D, Control D. And you have a pretty different looking pattern. That could be almost anything. And you could keep it going. Well, I took it a little bit further and took this, Control D and made a duplicate and mirrored it 90 degrees or rotated it 90 degrees and then welded that. And I thought that's pretty cool. And I'm not saying you'll ever do this, but it'll just give you some ideas. And then take that one and have it snap to there. Now what you're going to want to do is hit the plus key on the keyboard. So it won't keep coming. Well, it's almost going to have to go uphill. And then you can just keep going Control D, Control D. Weld that. Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to have to zoom in. And then just take your duplicate and put it on the next part. Now, see, I didn't snap very good. When you're snapping to, you want to be right on that node, and then it'll snap to that other node. And then you could Control D again. Well, if we're going to do that, let's Control G, Control D to duplicate it. And you could just keep going till the forever and ever. And then just take all that and weld it, and you have that pattern. Now you might want to make it equal or even, and you could get it better than I'm doing. I'm trying to move it, but I need to get off my rotation. And then what I did on this other one, I just used the lens tool, and it really totally changed it. You can't really see anything in there, but with the lens tool, then when you use the lens tool, you want to make sure you can see the red circle everywhere. Then you go up to Effects, Lens, and then go Fisheye, and then Frozen. And you have that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.